Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share get notified when a file is shared with you in Google Drive. Whether you want a notification on or off, this will help you. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just log in with my Gmail account. So just go to Google Drive over here. So now I just have a lot of options over here in Google Drive. So whatever files are shared with me through the mail, I just want to get a notification what I have to do here, and I don't want any notification what you have to do here. So in your right hand side corner you will find a settings option over here, as you see here. So just hit the button in settings option, so it will direct you into the settings. Everything will be there in the Google related drive. As I click a settings option, so just go to settings. Once you click a settings, the settings will have a privacy general notification manage app. So I just want to go to notification. So there will be a browser notification and email notification. It should be enabled like a tick option, so get all updated and Google Drive items via mail. So if it is not enabled, just enable so that you will receive your notification. So otherwise just remove means your notification will be switched off over here. So if I want to get a notification from the browser, get update Google Drive items in your browser, so you can enable this one so that while you log in, automatically your browser will be switched on with a notification so that it will be easy. So you are getting disturbed over here, so just remove this, and you want to add notification about a new request, access, approval, everything will be activated. So similarly you can activate more than this so that it will be easy for you to enable all kind of notification over here. So use this option to enable the notification or disable the notification using your Google Drive. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.